Despite how big it is, and I mean big, like 15 billion views on TikTok big, first let's clarify what matcha actually is, because most people still think it's just green tea. And while it comes from the same plant, Camellia sinensis, it's made through a completely different and way more intense process. See, green tea leaves are harvested, steamed within 24 hours to prevent oxidation, rolled, dried, and then steeped in water like your average tea bag. Matcha, on the other hand, skips the bag entirely. After steaming, the leaves are destemmed and deveined, then stone ground into an ultra-fine powder called tencha. And that powder, that's what you're drinking. Not a steeped extract, not a flavored infusion, the actual leaf. Pulverized and whisked into hot water. You're consuming the whole thing.
Real matcha, the diva, also requires that it be grown under partial shade of a cover, about 2 to 3 weeks before harvesting. This protects an amino acid within the leaves known as theanine. It also increases the number of chloroplasts within the plant to compensate for the reduced light while it's shaded. Now, if you think back to your high school science class, you might remember that a chloroplast is the special part within the plant where photosynthesis takes place. So this actually factors into matcha's bright green color.
And yet, there's a ton of fake matcha out there. Stuff made from unshaded leaves, often called fun matcha. This fake matcha is cheaper to produce, duller in color, and completely lacking in theanine. It's used for coloring and flavoring and all of the matcha flavored things flooding store shelves. Matcha Kit Kats, matcha muffins, that green frappuccino from the drive-thru. Yeah, odds are you're not getting the real deal. Just the color, and maybe a whisper of bitter green tea taste.